Imagine you give a tiny robot just a few simple rules and one endless roll of paper. It can only write marks, step left or right, and someday stop. Some robots quit instantly. A few work astonishingly hard before they rest. So which simple little machine is secretly the busiest of all? These little machines are called Turing machines. Each one has an endless tape of squares, a head that reads one square, and a tiny rulebook. Read a square, follow the matching rule, and obey. That is the entire brain. No feelings, no guessing, just steps. Yet from these crumbs, something wild grows. A rule is just a sentence. If the head sees a blank, write a 1, step right, and switch to rule B. If it sees a 1, do something else. Only 4 moves exist. Write a symbol, move left or right, change your state, or halt. Children could follow these rules with a pencil. Now press play. The head reads a blank and writes a 1. It steps right, reads another blank, and writes again. Each tick it obeys exactly one rule. Marks bloom across the tape like footprints in snow. The machine is not thinking. It is simply, faithfully, busily following its orders. Here is the game. Take every machine that uses the same small number of rules. Most stop quickly or never stop at all. Among the ones that do stop, which champion writes the most ones before halting? That hardworking winner is called a busy beaver. Finding it sounds like a simple puzzle. But wait, even with just a handful of rules, the number of possible machines explodes. Every rule can write 0 or 1, move left or right, and jump to any state. Multiply those choices together and you get thousands, then millions of contestants. We must test them all to crown the true champion. Now the trouble begins. To know a machine's score, we must wait for it to halt. But some machines run forever, looping or wandering down the tape with no end. How long do we wait? A machine quiet for 1,000,000 steps might suddenly stop at step 1,000,001. For very tiny machines, we can still find the champion. With 2 rules, the best beaver writes 4 ones. With 3 rules, 6. With 4 rules, 13. Clever people checked every machine by hand and by computer. The numbers feel friendly and small. Surely this gentle pattern keeps quietly going. Then comes 5 rules and the floor drops away. The champion suddenly runs for 47 million steps before halting. Add a 6th rule, and the record leaps to a number so enormous it dwarfs the atoms in the entire universe. The gentle staircase just became a sheer, terrifying cliff. This explosion is not just big, it is special. The busy beaver numbers grow faster than any formula you could ever write. Doubling, squaring, towers of powers, anything a computer can calculate, the beaver eventually sprints far ahead and never looks back. No equation can keep pace with it. And here is the jaw-dropping part. No program, no matter how clever or how fast, can ever calculate every busy beaver number. Not because computers are weak, but because the answer is provably impossible to compute. It is a true number that exists, yet forever hides beyond every machine's reach. Why is it impossible? Because solving Busy Beaver would let us answer the famous halting problem, predicting whether any program ever stops. Alan Turing proved long ago that no machine can always answer that. So the beaver inherits the same unbreakable mystery. One puzzle quietly guards another puzzle. So why chase impossible beavers? Because each new champion can secretly settle deep math riddles. Hidden inside some machines are famous unsolved questions. If a small beaver halts, a centuries-old problem is answered. This silly contest becomes a window into the very edge of what we can ever know. Teams of people and computers keep hunting bigger beavers, inching the frontier forward one rule at a time. Each step is a celebration, because each step is genuinely hard-won knowledge. We may never finish, but every champion teaches us exactly how far human curiosity can truly reach. So remember the busy beaver. A machine with almost no brain, just a few rules and a tape, can hide numbers bigger than the universe and questions no computer can ever answer. The simplest games can hold the deepest mysteries. Sometimes the tiniest beaver teaches the biggest lesson of all.